Please subscribe, and you can download this code from description below. Image distortion can be a fascinating visual effect that can be added to images in your web applications. In this tutorial, we'll explore how to apply image distortion to images after sending them through a WSGI, Web Server Gateway Interface, app in Python. We'll use the Python libraries Flask and Pillow to create a simple web application that takes an image as input and applies distortion effects to it. Before you begin, make sure you have the following tools and libraries installed. You can install Flask and Pillow using pip. Create a project directory. Start by creating a project directory and navigate to it in your terminal. Create a virtual environment. Optional, it's good practice to create a virtual environment to isolate your project dependencies. You can create one using the following commands. Project structure, create the following directory structure. Now, let's create a Flask application that serves as our WSGI app. In this Flask application, make sure you have the project directory set up as described above. Run the Flask application by executing python app.py. Visit http://localhost 5000 in your web browser. Upload an image, and the application will apply the distortion effect and provide the distorted image for download. This is a basic example of image distortion in a WSGI app using Python. You can explore more advanced distortion effects and image manipulation techniques with the Pillow library to create stunning visual effects. ChatGPT. Title: Understanding and Mitigating Image Distortion in a WSGI App with Python. Introduction. Image distortion can occur when handling image uploads or downloads in a web application, especially when passing images through a WSGI, Web Server Gateway Interface, app. This tutorial aims to explain the causes of image distortion and provides a practical example using Python to mitigate this issue. Causes of image distortion. Image distortion can be attributed to various factors, including improper handling of image data, compression artifacts, and resizing discrepancies. When images are transmitted through a WSGI app, these issues may become more prominent due to the nature of the web environment. Mitigating image distortion in Python WSGI app.